What's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and welcome if you are new. It's your girl Shayla, and by the title I'm sure you guys can tell what you're here for. So I wanted to bring you guys a video on how I do my sister locks when going to the gym or working out in general. This can be done for loose natural hair. It could be done for locks of any kind, whether it's micro locks, braid locks, sister locks, traditional locks. You could do it for all. I mean, and your hair don't even have to be natural, sis. Even if you have a perm, it's just all around styles that you could use to protect your hair during the gym. And so let's get right into this video. The first style is going to be just 2 French braids. So I am going to start by, as you guys can probably see, I already have like a little side part. Sometimes when I do my French braids, it's usually a side part or middle part, really don't matter. I don't really like focus on like any clean parts or anything like that, but I am going to just separate this side over here. And because I have a side part, this side will be thicker, which isn't a problem. I'm just going to start by braiding. If you do not know how to braid, you can flat twist this as well, and it still works the same. It's just really to keep that hair out of your face while you are sweating and in the gym or working out or running or any of that good stuff. So let me turn around so you guys can see. Now, I don't always like braiding my hair to the end, so I am just throwing a ponytail holder on there to keep the braid in. And I am about to do the same exact thing for this side. Now I am going to take the ponytail holder from over here, and I am going to connect the two and put it in a bun. It's definitely not perfect, but you know, it works. Get you a little sweatband for the front. Baby, you good in that gym. Hair is off your neck, all that. So let's go on to another style. We're gonna take these braids out. And we are about to put this thing in a ponytail straight to the back. Now, if your hair is like mine, where the front is shorter than the back and it doesn't reach in a full ponytail, you can literally just put a scarf on for like 5 or 10 minutes to keep those hairs down. Or you can just put like your sweatband on and fake it till you make it. But the way I do my ponytails in the back, I do not wrap it around multiple times. That's it, guys. That's it. I put the ponytail holder just right on and call it a day. And as you guys can see, the hair is still off the back of my neck. So it works for me to where I'm not in a gym excessively hot or anything like that. So Style number 3, I'm going to take this up into a top ponytail. So I'm going to flip my hair forward. And same thing here, I do not wrap the ponytail holder around multiple times. I just literally put it on and flex it out. My hair is starting to get a lot more fuller, so I know I probably will have to start wrapping it around twice. I'll show you guys. It's not much of a difference, but I'll show you guys what it looked like when I do wrap it around twice. I don't always do just the one, but for the most part I do. So this is what it's looking like when I do wrap it around twice. But yeah guys, so there are 3 quick and easy styles to wear your hair when going to the gym, when running, when just doing any type of workout, period. That way your hair is not in your face, it's not in your way. You know we all sweat, so you definitely don't want to be dealing with hair on your ears, on your neck, none of that while you're trying to work out. If you guys have tried any of these styles in the gym, let me know how they work for you. Let me know which one is your favorite. Me personally, the ponytail. Like whether it's top or high, sometimes I'll braid it, but the ponytail is the quickest, the easiest, it's my go-to. So that's what works for me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to press that bell notification so you guys can be notified each and every time I drop a video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in my next video. Until next time, take care.
Well, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently.